Shri Bhagwati presents linear vial washing machine. A linear vial washing machine is a type of equipment used in the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries for cleaning and sterilizing vials before they are filled with medications or other substances. The primary purpose of vial washing is to ensure the removal of contaminants, such as particles, dust, and microorganisms, from the vial surfaces. The term linear refers to the sequential and linear movement of vials through the washing process. Vials are typically loaded onto a conveyor system that moves them through various cleaning stations. Linear vial washing machines often consist of multiple washing stations, each designed to address specific cleaning requirements. These stations may include pre-washing, main washing, rinsing, and drying stations. The washing mechanism usually involves the use of jets or nozzles that spray cleaning solutions, such as purified water or detergents, onto the vial surfaces. The force and pattern of the sprays help dislodge and remove contaminants. Linear vial washing machines play a critical role in the pharmaceutical manufacturing process by contributing to the overall quality and safety of pharmaceutical products. They are part of a broader set of equipment used in the aseptic filling and packaging of pharmaceuticals. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.